Welcome to 3 Trent Circuit in Alexandra Hills. Come inside and have a
look. Step outside, breathe it in. Always seek to find where I end and you begin. Oh, 'cause it's the heartache I feel when you're stood in my reflection. Oh, I need some direction, but don't carry me to heaven, 'cause I fall to hell.
What a great home. You've got 4 bedrooms, ensuite, ducted air conditioning, solar power, sitting nice and private from the street. You have a caravan port with power, and then up the driveway, double lock-up garage and a single powered shed. I'm Deb McDonald, give me a call.
My way home.